Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and on today's episode, we are going to be making a baked, buttery, garlicky Parmesan tilapia. I use tilapia, but you can really use any fish you want. The only fish I would say I don't do this with is salmon. I'm actually not a huge fan of salmon. I think it tastes like ocean. Don't come at me. So I really love to use like tilapia for this. It's such an affordable fish and it's really delicious. But you can use whatever you want. Just remember that the thicker the fish, the longer it's going to take to bake. But let's get started. Let's get started on making this delicious goodness.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second.